Ohayo, kininayo. Bigbigat apo. Ada pagtungtungtungan mi kinilakay bago apan nag-work. Pagtungtungtungan mi, timbang mi. Speaking of that, loves, I need to speak English na. Because there's one commenters that he said that much better to speak in English.
Why?
So that they learn. Because
Who will learn?
the people watching us.
What the people?
Yeah,
The
the people.
Ilocanos?
The Ilocanos,
They want to speak English? I'm learning to speak Ilocano, not the other way around.
that's right. That's why I need to speak English if all my viewers is Ilocano in Tagalog,
Yeah.
right?
When?
I'm talking in Ilocano so that my husband understand, and someday, one day, going to visit in Philippines, at least he's not going to Maylaco or there's somebody going to buy him, right?
Going to what?
Yeah, hanga mailako. What is the English of hanga mailako? They don't going to sell you.
How are they going to sell me?
If you don't speak Ilocano, they're going to sell you. They're going to laugh at you every time they talk bad to you. Oh, that is sell.
Oh, I'll laugh too.
Okay, Nina. Anyways, loves, we're talking about the weight or timbang, right? Maybe there's something wrong in our scale, love. Because it's not getting low our weight. So
Yeah.
much better not to use it na. It's useless because it's getting up every day.
Well, stop breaking it.
Ano na lang, we throw it na lang. It's useless.
Oh, because you're becoming too much about.
No, the scale is something wrong.
Look, even our dog is representative of us.
It's
Gaining weight.
3 times in his weight. Super obese. You are obese, Jasper. And he's using the scale also.
Yeah.
So
He said he don't like it either.
Yeah,
wants
he
to
don't.
throw it out.
Solution. The solution is throw it na lang. Or buy new. Maybe our scale is...
Oh, so it's okay to buy new scale. We can't buy new other stuff, but we can buy a new scale.
Of course, to detect that our old scale is joking us. Hindi na.